Hello, thank you for visiting me today. Today I have a beautiful Chinese poem from the 4th century by the famous writer POPCORNFX for you. Chinese poetry is very beautiful and the words are from a different time and a different world. I do hope you like it. Fun says thank you very much for visiting his channel. Red hills lie beyond us as a menace in the west, and fiery mountains glare terrible in the south. The body burns, the head hurts and throbs. If a bird light here, its soul forthwith departs. Warm springs pour from cloudy pools, and hot smoke issues between the rocks. The sun and moon are perpetually obscured. The rain and dew never stay dry. There are red serpents 100 feet long, and black snakes 10 girths round. The sand spitters shoot their poison at the sunbeams. The flying insects are ill with the shifting glare. The hungry monkeys dare not come down to eat. The morning birds dare not set out to fly. At the Qing River many die of poison. Crossing the Lu one is lucky if one is only ill. Our living feet walk on dead ground. Our high will surmount the snares of fate. The spear boat general got but little honor. The wave subdoor met with scant reward. If our prince still grudges the things that are easy to give, can he hope that his soldiers will give what is hardest to give?